Hi there, my name is Will, and today I'm going to walk you through how inputs work inside of Kestra. Inputs allow you to make your workflows more reusable and dynamic by allowing you to pass data into your workflow at the start of its execution. In this example here, I have an input defined here called user that is of the type string, and it has a default value in case I do not define an input at execution. Now, by using an expression, which is this here at the bottom with the brackets, this allows me to pass in data to the task, and the task will use that. So when I press execute here, by default it is set to Rick Ashley, and so when I execute this, we can actually see that when I go to the logs, it's going to print out the input inside of our log message, allowing you to make a workflow dynamic and changeable whenever you execute it. Here's another example of where we can use an input. This task is going to make an API request, but instead of having to hard code the URL that I want to use for the API request, I can use an input to allow me to change it at execution. As you can see here, I've got this dummy json.products URL, and when I press execute, I could modify that and change it if I wanted to make a different type of request. When I press execute, we can see it successfully made that API request thanks to the input automatically passing the value down to our API request task. Hopefully that gives you a good insight in how inputs work and allow you to make your workflows more reusable and more dynamic. In the next episode, we're going to look at outputs and how you can pass data generated from your tasks, such as an API request, into further tasks downstream so you can use that data.